Welcome to Doba tutorial. When you log into your retailer account, you will see Curated List and a bell at the upper right corner of nearly every web page. Click on or hover your mouse cursor over it. You may find two tabs, Messages and Notifications. Today, we will talk about these three elements. Let's begin with Messages and Notifications. First, Message. If any of your suppliers sends you a new message, you will find it here. You will see the sender's name, the message content, and the sent out time. You may also click View All to view a list of all the messages you've received. Click on the message, you will enter the dialog page. Here on this page, you will find the recent past communications with this particular seller. You may read the latest message, and reply to it. You may click More Message to load more if you want to recall a bit about this seller. If you want to highlight this message and check back later for more, just click this icon to start it. Or click again to unstar it. And if you find a junk message or you just don't want to read it, please click Add to Blacklist, then this message thread will disappear from the Messages page. After you read and reply to the latest message, you may click the back icon to return to the message list. You may hover your mouse cursor here, and click to enter the blacklist page to view all the entries you've added. If you don't want to blacklist any message thread anymore, you may click Available to undo the blacklisting. Then you will find this thread appear again in your messages. Second, Notifications. Here you will find the messages from Doba. You will see the title and sent out time of the message. Click on the message, you can read its details. When you read through a message, you may click Notifications to return to the list. Many, if not all, of these notifications are very important, so we recommend you to check back from time to time. You will find a new function of the website is out, or a page is optimized so you may discover products more efficiently, or an action you should take to enable a smoother dropshipping experience, etc. Last but not least, Curated List. By clicking on it, you will find some lists of very good commodities, carefully selected by Doba product discovering experts, called Doba.com Featured Recommendation, or simply put, Curated List. The lists will be pushed to you from time to time. All the new lists will have the new symbol attached to its right. You may click on any issue to view the recommended products. You will find all the products of the current issue. If you find any of them interesting, just hover your mouse cursor over the product area, and click the Add to Inventory List button to add it to your inventory list. You may also select multiple products by clicking on the checkboxes left to the product pictures, or select all the product to batch adding them. Once a new entry of the messages, notifications or the curated list is out, a red dot will appear beside the icons. So please pay attention to the red dot, it might mean a new issue of the curated list is out, and it's time to discover more hot-selling products for your customers. That's all for today, thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial video, please subscribe for more.